This 5-minute solution will show you how to change iPhone notification sound for different apps. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on notifications, and note one thing that third-party apps are not supported with changing of notification sound feature. You will be able to change only default app notification sounds. For example, you can change Facetime notification sounds. So tap on Facetime, make sure to allow notification and then tap on sounds. And now you can select sound for Facetime app. Then go back from here. Then you will be able to change sound for Messages app. So tap on it and tap on sounds. And then you will be able to change your Message app's sounds. And the same way, if I tap on Messenger, as you can see, here is only sound on and off option available, but sounds changing option is not available for third-party application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.